So, if question is asked, which enantiomer of carbohydrate is abundant? Whether they ask you in body, in nature, in plasma, or in cell. Be it any question, if they ask you for carbohydrates, you will always answer D, D form. D form where OH is on right hand side at the second last carbon, right? But if they ask you for amino acids, then be careful here. If they ask you amino acid in proteins, which form is abundant? Amino acid in protein, then you will say L form, okay? So for carbohydrates it is D form, for amino acids it is L form, right? Now, this amino acid is present in the protein, okay? But in our body, amino acid can be free also, free amino acid. That free amino acid can be D, can be L. Obviously, more abundant will be L, but free amino acid can be found in D form also, okay? And this D form of amino acid is obviously rare in the body. Let's do the examples. D-aspartate, D-serine, D-aspartate. They are found in brain, okay? This question was asked, okay? Which D amino acid is present in our body?